Today for lunch, there's the smokehouse grill, buffalo chicken and cheese on flatbread, or a crispy fish sandwich. Last week's Earth Day inspired question was, what is the easiest way for you to help the Earth? There is no right answer. These are all helpful things to do. 40% of you chose recycle more, and 34% of you chose plant trees. Our next question is inspired by the PSSAs. What technology can you have during PSSAs? Your school iPad, your phone, your smartwatch, a school calculator, or a number 2 pencil. There will be an assembly today at 2 p.m. in the gymnasium to honor the veteran Mr. Foltz with a diploma presented by our superintendent, Dr. Dawson. Next week, we're going to begin the PSSAs, and they're really worried about cheating. So you are not allowed to have notes in your possession during the test or to have any unapproved electronic devices like cell phones, smartphones, smartwatches, earbuds, and all that junk. You may have an approved calculator during the math portion of the test. You cannot share said calculator with others, and you should not use the bubbles in the answer booklet to eliminate possible incorrect answers or possible correct answers by making marks in multiple bubbles and erasing. Mark only the bubble for the correct answers you will choose. You are not supposed to talk with others about questions on the test during or after the test. You may, of course, discuss the test with your parents or guardians. You are not to take notes about the test to share with others, and you are not to use social media to post information about the test or test items. Like I said, they're really worried about cheating. On our next video, we'll go over several things you should do to prepare for the PSSAs. Breakfast on Monday will be breakfast pizza or the ham, egg, and cheese on a croissant. Now, please rise for the flag salute.